Garth Ridlin, the CEO of Valley Senior Living in Grand Forks, says after all 1,250 staff members and residents of their 3 Grand Forks facilities were tested, they have 7 staff members and 5 residents who have now tested positive for COVID-19. He said in an afternoon news conference the majority of those cases are connected to 3 businesses in Grand Forks. He declined to name them, but cautions everyone to take coronavirus guidelines very seriously. Unfortunately, he doesn't see the guidelines of no contact visits for residents changing soon. As we're finding out today, more and more nursing homes around the region are finding themselves in the same position as you. And depending on whose study you want to listen to, well, maybe this will last for 2 years. Are you guys looking at any new procedures that would allow people access to visit their loved ones?
We talk about it every day, Neil. Thanks for the question. We do window visits, which of course isn't the same, because you're on the other side of that window of that room. Not everybody has a window that faces the exterior of a building. We do Zoom, we do FaceTime, obviously the phone. But in a statewide call last week with the Department of Health, it is very clear that from CMS's perspective, we're not at a point yet where we're going to be able to allow the public and family members into the nursing home. And in fact, we've been directed that if people leave with their families, that they're basically discharged from that nursing home. And it's such a difficult time. I spoke with a family member at length over the weekend, and there's loneliness and there's a toll that takes as well. And it's very concerning. That's why we're hoping that this restart can be successful. I know in the nation's plan, the last portion of that plan is to really reopen nursing homes. The rest of it has to go well first. So we're hoping for success across the board here.
I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNews.TV.